Good morning, everyone. My name is Jaiti Priya.
And I am Uday Mehrotra. Today, together we are absolutely thrilled to welcome you all to this Envision 3.0 and the Manufacturing Summit right here at the legendary IIM campus.
Today, you're not just at another conference, you're at the heart of India's manufacturing revolution.
Envision 3.0 is powered by PGPEX-VLM and stands on the shoulders of an iconic collaboration, IIM Calcutta, IIT Kanpur and IIT Madras. Together, we are here to ignite the bond idea, spark collaboration, and fuel unstoppable growth in the manufacturing.
This year's summit is all about transformation, digital innovation, and building resilient value chains.
Take a look around. We have the visionaries, creators, and disruptors, from powerhouse keynote speakers through leading panelists and our distinguished guests. Each one is ready to share, challenge, and shape the future with you.
Let's make Envision 3.0 a summit to remember.
So let's get ready to absorb inspiration, ask tough questions, and make new friends. And most importantly, become a part of India's manufacturing story. The theme for this year's summit is Resilient Manufacturing for India 2047.
As India advances towards its centenary of independence, the call for building a resilient, agile, and globally competitive manufacturing sector has never been louder. Today's summit is packed with insightful keynotes, expert panels, and meaningful networking, offering actionable insights to shape India's manufacturing sector.
Our esteemed guests include Professor Alok Kumar Rai, Director IIM Calcutta, our chief guest Mr. Ashutosh Rath, Executive Director NALCO, and our keynote speakers Mr. Prashant Kaiwar, Vice President Genpact, Mr. Abhijit Pal, Executive Director, and Mr. Anurag Srivastav, Partner PwC.
So, to begin this momentous occasion, let us invoke the light of knowledge and wisdom through the traditional lighting of the ceremonial lamp. So, I now invite our esteemed dignitaries to come forward and set the stage.
There are more lamps to light than on the hardware. But this is really good. So they say
ये बच्चे करेंगे
and you have ladies. Can some of the representatives come on? Like the one from.
Come, come, come. What happens? Why don't you guys come?
So for the chief guest.
Yeah, request our director to.
May we please request,
So our director will.
may we please request the director to read out the. Thank you, sir. It is my privilege to now invite Professor Sudhir Jaiswal, Chairperson of the PGPEX-VLM program, to deliver the welcome address. Professor Sudhir Jaiswal is in the Finance and Control Group of IIM Calcutta and has played a key role in shaping the VLM program into a hub of techno-managerial leadership. Sir.
A warm welcome to everyone, those on the dais, Professor Alok Rai, Mr. Ashutosh Director, Executive Director of the National Aluminium Company, Mr. Abhijit Paul, Executive Director, Board and Board Member of Alphaxine Solutions, Mr. Anurag Srivastav, Partner PwC, and Mr. Prashant Murali Aivar, Vice President Genpact Limited, and our alumni of third batch, and Mr. Rajiv Maitra, Partner Deloitte. My colleagues, faculty colleagues, department, program office colleagues, and my dear students, I am so glad that we are organizing Envision in the first part of your stay at IIM Calcutta. Typically, this event would happen closer to the end of the program. So it's a welcome change this year. I really congratulate you for doing such a excellent job, doing such a tough time. Wonderful. All of us are aware that India has decided to re-emerge in the field of manufacturing. We've been known for our service prowess, but today the government recognizes the need and the industry is gearing up to ensure that we become an important hub for products made in India for the world. In this program, in this endeavor, our PGPEX-VLM program can play a very important role. They have been playing an important role, as I can see from our alums, those who are present today and with whom we have interacted over last 2 years. We are already contributing to the nation building, to enhancing the brand of IIM Calcutta, India, and for their own companies. Now, this is only possible because of the hard work that these alums and these students have put in, and to a certain extent, in that we faculty members can take some pride in creating a spark, guiding you towards learning so that you can make a significant impact. Now, today's event's theme, resilient manufacturing, is all the more important given the so much of turmoil that we have seen in the first 7-8 months of this year. YTD, if you look, resilience is one thing which is being questioned, which needs to be strengthened, which needs to be enhanced. And I am so looking forward to the discussions today to help us so that this industry academia partnership, dialogue, interaction, can enhance skill building. So, resilient manufacturing, the importance of digital transformation and strategy and governance, the importance of supply chain and operations. Those are all important areas wherein a discussion is required today among the practitioners and the scholarly minds in India. So, Envision 3.0 is an excellent platform that is facilitating, and I'm so glad our students have done a wonderful job for that. Thank you so much. I personally thank all the dignitaries who will be here to enlighten us. Appreciate it.